Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. My son recently asked me, can I make a pork and bean dish look something like this? I said, well, not a problem. But he said, I would like to also have some bacon in it with the pork. I said, not a problem at all. I can make it happen. However, I would like to add some vegetables to it. So I add some carrots, onion, as well as a purple cabbage. And then, of course, I'm going to use navy bean to make this dish. Well, I'm going to start out to fry a couple strips of bacon. Now, this bacon is special because it comes from my neighbor, and he has a hog farm. And he also provided me with the ground pork as well. Now, if you don't like ground pork, you can substitute with ground beef. It works pretty much the same. My son loves bacon, and adding bacon to this dish really gives a nice flavor to the pork. Well, in order to make this a little bit healthier, I'm going to add some purple cabbage. A cabbage always goes well with pork. And I could have used green cabbage, but the purple cabbage gives some nice color. And next, add some thinly sliced carrots. The carrot again will provide both color, texture, and taste, addition to the nutritional value. This is a little trick I learned. Always add a little bit vegetable to the meat dish because it will help particularly children to become more familiar with vegetables. I next add some chopped onion to the dish. The key is that you don't want to add too much vegetables because that might lead to rejection. At this point, you probably notice that some of the bacon and ground pork stick to the bottom of the wok. But don't worry, you can clean it off. Use my spot water cleaning method by spray some water right over it, and with your wok spatula, you can easily scrape them off. Well, to me, why not clean your wok as you cook? And next, I add a can of navy bean. I add the fluid in the can as well to the wok because that will make a very nice sauce. I have learned from my friend the reason they call this navy bean because at one time this bean was used extensively on naval vessels. There's no particular reason that I choose navy bean. I could have chose any other beans, but I thought the navy beans would go well with the pork. Since this is a template, in the future, you could easily substitute the navy beans with other type of beans. After I did a quick taste test, I'm going to add a bit lemon pepper to give the dish a touch lemony flavor. The bacon will already season the dish, so the lemon pepper is more a supplementary flavoring. Well, this is flavor chasing. It's all about. You can season the dish in whatever flavor that you preferred. After doing a quick taste test, the dish is ready. And the total cook time of this dish is only about 7 minutes. It is a very quick dish to cook, particularly you cook it from mainly fresh and unprocessed ingredients. I only recently started to cook stir-fry dish to contain bean because this is not something that is common in Chinese cooking at all. This definitely is a fusion approach. However, bean is well known for its nutritional value. Not only it possesses plant proteins, but it also possesses a high level of dietary fibers. I serve this dish with rice. The sauce from the bean create a very nice combination with the rice. And now I can understand why rice and bean has such well-known and famous reputation. Because the bean is relatively inexpensive, this dish is truly a very economical dish. I finally garnished the dish with some green scallion. I always have some green scallion around in the refrigerator already prepped. It makes a really nice garnish. It not only provides color, but it also provides nice texture and flavor. My son really enjoyed this dish, particularly the bacon. If you like bacon, I think you will enjoy this dish as well. If you enjoyed this video, click like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.